Hey there, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a certified pre-owned 2019 Volvo XC40 T5 Momentum in Onyx Black Metallic with a super cool Oxide Red Leather Interior. This all-wheel drive compact SUV has less than 15,000 miles on it. It's got those cool Thor's Hammer active bending headlights, 19-inch wheels. T5 means that this is a 4-cylinder turbocharged engine with 248 horsepower, and these are an absolute joy to drive. You sit up high, they're easy to get in and out, but it drives like a car. It's nimble, so easy to park. And Momentum is the base trim level, but it has so many features as a base trim level. Keyless entry, hands-free power liftgate, and there is a luggage cover, but I always show the XC40s with the luggage cover already in place. So I took it out so you could see what it looks like. There's a ton of room in the back here. Giant panoramic sunroof that has a power sunshade, and that red interior. Woo! Awesome. In the back here, you can fold down the back seats with the touch of a button. And I have the luggage cover stored under, here's a grocery divider, and then this is your luggage cover. And so it tucks away neatly if you don't need it. Also, keyless entry means that if you hold down the unlock button on your key fob, we'll be able to roll down all of the windows, letting in a cool breeze before we jump in. Memory seating for 2. This one has the secret drawer there. These seats are very comfortable, easy to clean, and they're just a knockout. See the safety systems list every time you start up. I have the digital display on performance, to go with the red interior. But if you wanted to change that up, we could change that up in my car, and then displays and display themes to something a little more subtle like chrome rings or glass. But I'm going to keep it red because I'm feeling spicy today. This has heated steering and heated seats. Off to the left, you'll find some of your vehicle functions. Your backup camera is here. Super clear. Your park in and out functions are here as well if you need assistance parking in a tight spot. Nice auto dimming frameless mirror, and this is where you'll close that sunshade if you'd like. It has wireless phone charger, and for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, you just plug into this top spot there. Tons of space here. This is a removable trash can. In your glove box, it has this cool hook, which is great for when you're picking up takeout. You want to make sure a bag doesn't roll around on the floor. And it also has the key to the glove box. Has its own little spot here. It just lives in the glove box. So if you are are valeting your car and you want to keep something very secure, you can just pull that out and you're set to go. There are so many things to discover with the beautiful XC40. And if you're looking for an XC40, you have perfect timing because this is available for immediate delivery. It is stock number 21272A, and there's a link to our site in the description box below. So come check us out and come get your car. Thanks for watching from Portland Volvo.